Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Tsholo Phoka. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to moisturize your dry natural hair during the week and even before wash day. Water is the best way to moisturize your hair, but you could have washed your hair on the weekend and you just want to re-moisturize your hair during the week and you do not have that time for hair wash day. So what can you do? You'll just do the LCO method, which I'm going to show you on this video on how to re-moisturize your hair without doing all those hair wash day steps. The LCO method is basically using a liquid, conditioner and oil onto your hair to re-moisturize your hair. So I'm going to be using a liquid first, which is water, a conditioner, and then I'm going to use an oil to seal in all that moisture. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as a notification button to be notified of every time I'm posting a new video. So let's just jump straight into this video. I'm starting off with plain water. It's just water with nothing else. And then I'm gonna go in with the Vatica leave-in conditioner. And then to seal in, I'm just gonna use water mixed with extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to spray my hair with water. Water is the best moisturizer for your hair. So make sure it's always washed and clean and you use as much water as possible on your hair. I usually do this at night because if you do it during the day, you don't want to be walking around with wet hair. When I've thoroughly coated my hair with water, I'm just going to part my hair and I'm going to be applying the leave-in conditioner in sections. I apply the leave-in conditioner in sections on my hair while also detangling my hair. I usually use Vatica leave-in conditioner to re-moisturize my hair. It is very moisturizing on my hair and I have low porosity hair. So when I look for products to re-moisturize my hair, I look for products which are Aqua based. What that means is the first ingredient on this leave-in conditioner is Aqua, and then it's soya bean, it's coconut oil, and it's shea butter. So these ingredients are very good for moisturizing the hair as well as sealing moisture in. So I just love it for my hair. It's been working wonders on my hair and it makes my hair very soft. Aqua is water, by the way, and it doesn't have mineral oils or sulfates which are gonna greatly impact my hair in a negative way. I only do this re-moisturizing technique when my hair is feeling really dry, so I do not do this every single day. I'll maybe do it maybe once per week or every other week. So when I'm done, I'm gonna use this water mixed with extra virgin olive oil spray that I use daily. It locks in moisture, it makes the hair shiny and also soft. So I just love it, and I'm just gonna seal in all that moisture I just put into my hair with the spray. So now that my hair is re-moisturized, I'm just gonna put a satin scarf on my head just to lock in more of that moisture and not let any moisture escape while the hair is getting dry. So it's the next morning, my hair is moisturized and it's not wet anymore, but I still have the moisture in the hair, and now it will be easy for you to style your hair as desired. The whole point of re-moisturizing your hair is to have it soft, which it is now, to have it manageable so you can easily comb through it, and also for it not to consistently break off when you're styling your hair. So now that I've re-moisturized my hair, it is soft to the touch, it is easily combable, and it is just easy to work with. Thank you for watching this video, guys. See you on the next video. Bye.